आमकां क्रूज सिल्वान सांगलें आसा आउट ऑफ 51 monuments there are only 12 forts. हांव एकच सांगता क्रूज सिल्वा while mentioning everything you did fantastically, you have studied the matter, but only thing is एक खंयचेय स्टेटमेंट करता आसतना you have to be very sensitive. You said that शिवाजी महाराजाची जयंती सेलिब्रेट कित्याक करपा जाय. It is not fair, you know. I object to it. Let me speak. And पैशाचेर कितले पैसे तरी मागल्या ते तुम्ही विचारपाक जाय. You should inquire about it. You should say that certain crores of rupees is spent on Shivaji Maharajaचे. I object to it.
Cruz Silva.
ना बस हांव सांगता. I have not interfered. तुम्ही म्हणले तेन्ना पासून हांवें तुका ऑब्जेक्शन घेतलां. Though I felt bad because शिवाजी महाराजाचे अस्तित्व ह्या गोंयान भितर आसा म्हणून खुबशे प्रमाणात जे इन्क्विजिशन आसा ते थांबलेले आसा आनी ताचे नंतर हो समाज प्रोटेक्ट जाल्ले आसा. वी हॅव टू हॉनर दॅट ऑल्सो. While making any statement, you have to be sensible enough that it should not hurt the feelings of the larger section of the people. So always keep calm and whatever you want to place it before that, think before that, okay? Without making any debate on that, I will go ahead. All those suggestions that Mr. Silva has made, we will take it into consideration, and always we will consult well while framing and drafting the policy. Yes. Okay, anyway, that is... Just give me one. Just give me 1 minute. I'll consider.
I mulna कित्याक केलें ती. I forgot mulna how much money was spent on celebration.
Yeah.
If there is a legacy of Shivaji Maharaj in Goa, let us preserve it. Do not waste money on events. And they mentioned Kerala. There is a fort situated in remote Satari Taluka, was built in 17th century by Chhatrapati Shivaji. Why preserve करचा म्हण? What to stop ना?
खंयचो फोर्ट म्हणला तुवें? यू हॅव यू नेम्ड इट?
सातारी एक फोर्ट.
तरी नानूच फोर्ट म्हणून आसा तो आमच्या दिपाजी राणीची जी लिगसी आसा ती आमी पळयतात आनी हॉनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान एक अनाउन्समेंट केल्ली आसा हॅन्स फोर्थ जी आमचे जातले. तूं प्रत्येक गोष्ट जर इव्हेंट म्हणपा लागलो आनी तो फोर्टूय आयडेंटिफाय करपाचो पूण ती केन्नाय ना ती केन्नाच आमचे ते दिपाजी राणीचे स्मारकाचेर वचून एक फुलां घालपाचे पसून अधिकार आमकां नासचो ना. आनी तेन्ना तूं म्हणटालो की डोंट wasteful expenditure. How can be a wasteful expenditure? We have spent around 3 lakhs and people gathered, over 600 people gathered for celebration of Shivaji Jayanti at Betul, the new fort which is brought in light now. You should have complimented and congratulated. Instead of that, you are saying that on the Shiva Jayanti chair asa to wasteful experience. How can you say that and how can you dare to say that? This is not fair. You said that it is a wasteful experience. Don't cannot asle annaka which will create
No cross talk.